it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make banana puff puff with a twist. So guys, come along with me. You put into a bowl 2 spoons of dry yeast, 4 spoons of sugar, 0.5 liter warm water, and set aside. Mash the banana in a bowl until it becomes soft. Add flour, mix thoroughly. Create a hole in the center, add a tablespoon of oil, likewise yeast and sugar solution, and mix. I started off with 2 cups of flour and added the remaining half. In the process, it's optional. You can start off with all of the flour. Once the doubling process is completed, you add your roasted peanuts and mix before frying. Banana puff puff with a twist is ready. So golden and yummy. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see